I can't believe that this is gonna be the last video that is filmed in this house. That's crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is another installment of Moving to London, a series. I'm feeling a little bit silly because this is the last video that I'm gonna be filming in my current house. I move on Monday, so by the time you watch this, I will have been living in my new place for a few weeks. I have my stack of bubble wrap. I've got empty walls and I've got boxes surrounding me right now. But I'm sure you're curious about what's going on today. So today we're gonna be talking about end of tenancy. So I feel like this is a great one to finish off filming in this house. Obviously moving is a total pain in the ass. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, moving sucks, it's terrible. But there are certain ways to ensure that the process of changing over from your current place to your new one goes seamlessly. So now that you found your great new place to move into, do you know what you have to do in order to leave your current place? First things first, always read your lease. Each landlord is different and your responsibilities could easily differ depending on where you're living and what your landlord likes and their preferences and all of that. So be sure to read your lease. I can only speak off of my experience, but we are responsible for an end of tenancy clean. An end of tenancy clean is great for both parties because even though it can be pricey if you live in a big house, it's a really good way to ensure that you get most of, if not all of your deposit back. An end of tenancy clean is basically a deep clean that makes it look like before you moved in. So it gets rid of signs of like wear and tear. They clean your fridge and your oven, and it's just basically like, it doesn't even look like you lived there. It's a great, great thing. So definitely check about that in your lease, but I'm pretty sure that they'll probably make you do one. So anyway, if you've read my blog or follow me on Instagram, then you know that I love Fantastic Services in London. They are amazing. They came to clean my house once and oh, they were fantastic. Seriously though, they were great. They scrubbed everything. They made everything shine, and our bathroom looked like it was a different color because it was actually white, and everything was sparkling and it was fantastic. So I'm gonna keep saying that this whole video. How many times can I say fantastic? So thankfully, after I did my work with Fantastic Services last time on just a deep clean, they've offered me a end of tenancy clean, which my roommates love and which I love even more because it just takes the stress out of everything. So thank you so much, Fantastic Services. So now that you know that mine is gifted and that this video is in collaboration with Fantastic Services, you might be wondering yourself, how much does this actually cost and what's included in it? So most of them include a deep cleaning of the whole entire flat, house, apartment, whatever you want to call it, and an oven cleaning and a refrigerator cleaning. So another great thing about this clean from Fantastic Services is that they'll come back in 72 hours if you are not happy with your clean to make sure that you are. They follow a checklist that estate agents use, so they know exactly what kind of stuff is taken out of deposits, and they work to make sure that nothing is taken out of your deposit. Another great thing about it is that the service is not based on an hourly setup. They will work as long as it takes to make the house look spotless and shine and beautiful. So for me, that's excellent because we have such a big house that a regular clean is really expensive anyway. It costs about like 60 pounds just to have them come, like just to have someone come clean the house normally for like 3 or 4 hours, just because we live in such a big house, and that's just for like common spaces. It's not even cleaning our bedroom. So it'll be really great to get them in here on a non-hourly basis so they can really get to work and leave the house looking spotless for the new tenants. And if those things are not enough, you can add some other services. So if your walls are disgraceful because you put blue tack all over them, then you can get wall spot removal. You pay per room. You can get your carpets cleaned, your upholstery cleaned, so if your couches need cleaning, stuff like that. And they will also clean your windows for you. That's all at an additional cost. Prices, of course, differ depending on how big your property is and exactly what services you want done, but they generally start at about £100. So you can take a look at their website that I will link below to see what their prices are. You can get a little quote for your house there. And if you are interested in using one of their services, then enter my name, Taylor Fuller, with no space in there, and you'll get £10 off your first service. They have a number of other services ranging from regular cleans, gardening, house removal. They're moving me as well, which will be fantastic. And they have handymen, and they're just a great service. The customer service is fantastic. The cleaners are all so friendly, and honestly, like, I'm not just saying this, they're not paying me. They just gifted me this service, but I really think that we've had a number of different cleaners in our house this year, and I think that they've done the best, like, hands down, no contest. I think it might be because they also bring their own supplies for no extra cost, so they know what they need to make your house clean, and they're not just like relying on like whatever you have around the house. So that's really important for me as well. But that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful in helping you figure out how to do your end of tenancy situation. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. I have new videos coming every Wednesday and Sunday, so stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Bye!